This is Lukie D. Long Island, New York. Don't know how we do it. We start the sound heavy with big bad tune. Drop it. NitraTek, you are play. Every sound wanna play like you. NitraTek wanna figure out how you stay. I've heard them say that all the talking down they did. And I've got to tell them now, NitraTek is the center of attraction. You see, we knock them off their feet, center of attraction. And I have got to be discreet, boy. Open your eyes, tell me what you see. NitraTek is taking over control. Open your eyes, tell me what you see. NitraTek, you've got this crown. You are the center of attraction. You knock them off their feet, center of attraction. You've gotta be discreet, yeah, but who could it be? I am losing my control. Every time NitraTek play, you're going crazy every day. Center of attraction. Knock them off their feet. Center of attraction. What? NitraTek Sound. Every sound's got their eyes on you. NitraTek. Wanna figure out how you play. I've heard them say that you're the talking sound. And I've got to tell them now, NitraTek is the center of attraction.